Everyone thinks the best-selling screen protector for the iPhone 11 is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, A-LON 2-Pack. First up is the A-LON 2-Pack Screen Protector. Priced at just $6.98, this product caught my eye with its impressive 4.5-star rating from over 426,000 reviews. If you want solid protection for your iPhone 11, this is worth a serious look. This screen protector offers 9H hardness, which means it can handle serious scratches and bumps. Plus, it comes with a camera lens protector that enhances night shooting, ensuring your photos look amazing even in low light. And let's be honest, who doesn't want crystal clear pictures? Now, I did notice some users complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. But here's the thing. If you take your time and follow the tutorial video, it's manageable. A little patience goes a long way here. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-premium, but for the price, it's a solid bargain. Now, if the installation concerns of the A-LON bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, Nuke 3-Pack. Next, we have the Nuke 3-Pack Screen Protector, available for just $5.38. It's another bestseller, boasting a 4.6-star rating from 311,000 reviews. If you're all about value and reliability, this one's a great contender. What stands out here is its 0.33 thickness and 9H hardness. You can install it without worrying about annoying bubbles ruining your day. Plus, it's sweat and oil resistant, which helps keep your screen clean. However, some reviewers found the clarity slightly less than expected compared to more expensive options. But here's the thing, at this price point, you're getting impressive protection without breaking the bank. It's a trade-off I'm willing to take. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, easy-to-install protector that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you're after the highest clarity possible, but for everyday use, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something ultra-clear. Product number 3, QuilarLens 3-Pack. Coming in at just $3.99, we have the QuilarLens 3-Pack Tempered Glass Screen Protectors. With a 4.6-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's a steal for anyone looking to save a few bucks. The rounded design of this protector is tailored for the iPhone 11 and XR, ensuring compatibility with most cases. You also get 99.99% clarity, which means your screen will look just as vibrant as it did out of the box. Plus, the hydrophobic coating helps repel fingerprints, making it easier to keep clean. Some users mention that the protector doesn't cover the entire screen, which could be a deal-breaker for some. But here's the thing, this design actually enhances compatibility with cases while still protecting the critical parts of your screen. This is perfect for you if you want maximum value and decent protection on a budget. Skip this if you want full coverage or a premium feel, but for basic protection, it's a great choice. Now, if you're looking for something that covers privacy as well, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 4, G-Tech Screen Protector. The G-Tech Screen Protector comes in at $6.49 and has a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 800,000 reviews, which is impressive. If you want a well-reviewed option that's easy to install, this one's worth considering. Made specifically for the iPhone 11 and XR, it features 9H hardness for scratch resistance. It's designed to only cover the flat area of the screen, which some might find limiting, but it keeps the fit snug with most cases. A few users mentioned that they wished it went edge-to-edge, but I'd argue that the snug fit is actually a benefit for case compatibility. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective protector that's easy to install. Skip this if you prefer full coverage on the screen, but it's a fantastic option for daily use. Alright, that was a solid pick. But if you're concerned about privacy, the next product is totally geared towards keeping your screen secure. Product number 5, Rumcasi Privacy Protector. Finally, we have the Rumcasi Privacy Screen Protector, priced at $9.99. This one has a 4.5-star rating from 5,700 reviews. If you're privacy-focused, this is the one to check out. This protector features 9H military-grade glass and a super privacy function that prevents those side glances from peeking eyes. If you're in a crowded place, this could be a real lifesaver. It also has a night shooting function for your camera lens, so you can still take quality pictures in low light. However, some users reported that the brightness decreases when using the privacy feature. But here's the thing, if privacy is your main concern, a slight adjustment in brightness might be a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're often in public spaces and value privacy. Skip this if you're looking for a bright and vibrant screen experience all the time, but for privacy, it's a must-have. And there you have it. From budget-friendly options to privacy protectors, there's something for every iPhone 11 user out there. In summary, we've covered some fantastic screen protectors for your iPhone 11. The Alun and Nuke are great budget options, while Quilarlens offers excellent value. G-Tech is straightforward and reliable, and Rimcasi provides top-notch privacy. No matter your needs, you can find the right protector to keep your phone safe.